Good morning from Teaching from the Table. Hope everybody's doing good this morning. I am. I wanted to talk about some shadows and reflections to review some of the information we've talked about this year. Remember, a reflection is when you can see your image or the same image. Doesn't always have to be clear. And some different things that you could see your image in would be water, mirrors, aluminum cans, like if you take a green bean can and take the paper off of it, you could see your reflection. Temple, there's lots of glass. I know that I see my reflection in the front door of the storm door of my house a lot of times. Remember that shadows are when the sun is blocked, no light can move through that object, and it makes the same outline as whatever is blocking the light. So if I put my hand over this, you can actually see the shadow of my hand on the paper. So this is a cool outside project. I don't have a sidewalk, so I had to make do. And what I've done is I've taken computer paper. You can also do this on rainy days with flashlights, and tape some computer paper together. I've placed some Lego objects, and it's going to be a castle scene. And I'm just going to trace over the shadow and then I would take my time better than this. I'm doing this for the sake of time on YouTube because I only have so many minutes to complete all of this. So I've got the castle. Oh, the dragon's going to be a little trickier. I'll have to take my time because he's got some points on him. And no, he's not perfect, guys. It's okay. So, now you could finish it, excuse me, by adding a few details and then color it. And then you can make up stories about it. And this is really cool to do outside on a hot or spring day, and I think it's supposed to be beautiful. You could also do it with sidewalk chalk if you have a sidewalk. Like I said, I don't, so I had to make do. On rainy days, turn the lights off and use flashlights, and put the flashlight closer and further away from your objects, and when you do, the shadows change different sizes. So, and for a reflection, guess what I did? I just copied a mirror. I could trace this one and do the same thing. And I took some tinfoil, and if you'll see and you look closely, you can see your reflection in the tinfoil. So shadows and reflections are cool. And what I'd like for you to do is to see how many different reflective things you see today, things you can see your reflection in, and see how many different shadows you can find. And see if you can find what's making that shadow shape. I'll talk to you tomorrow. Have a great day. Love.